Now, like we've heard, vaccinations are happening across the nation. Some 289,000 healthcare workers and patients under the age of 65 at nursing hospitals and care facilities will receive their first jab, and this is the first round of the AstraZeneca vaccinations. Over in Bundang, south of Seoul, the vaccinations have also kicked off. Now, let's connect to our Kim Do-yeon, who is at one of the nursing centers there. Do-yeon, have vaccinations begun where you are?
Good morning, Mok-yeon. I'm at the vaccinating zone of the Bobath Memorial Hospital in Korea, where it's a major hospital in Korea with both nursing care center and a rehabilitation center. As you can see behind me, the vaccination has started here as well. Just after 9 a.m., 7 containers of AstraZeneca's vaccines arrived here with the military and police escort. Now, that was a slight delay, but it was no problem for this hospital to get everything started right away. The doctors, nurses, and of course the needles were all in place, and the recipients were all lined up with their screening questionnaires done. Among the first jabs at this hospital was for the chief of the patient safety department, and the team plans on continuing until the evening to get as many done as possible. 650 people signed up for the vaccination at this hospital. Now, this is just one of around 1,900 locations that's getting the first batch of supplies right now.
Now, Do-yeon, like you've explained, can you tell us more about what's happening in other places across the country?
Mok-yeon, everyone in the country is hoping to see some light at the end of the tunnel, as this is the first step taken towards the herd immunity. The very first shot of the country went to Miss Lee Kyung-soon, a 61-year-old care person from Nowon-gu District Health Center in Seoul. But at 9 a.m., vaccination spots across the country all started their rollout. This first set of supplies are AstraZeneca's vaccines that have been manufactured here in South Korea. About 1.57 million vaccine doses, enough to inoculate 785,000 people, are being delivered across the country and are under heavy security. Again, the first group to get the shots will be the residents and workers of nursing care and rehabilitation centers aged 65 or younger. Of those, more than 93% have signed up for the jabs. While a lot of people do worry about negative reactions, the authorities say AstraZeneca's vaccines are safe and all recipients are to remain at the vaccination spot for 15 to 30 minutes afterwards to make sure there are no severe allergic reaction to the vaccine. That's all I have for you at this hour. Back to you, Mok-yeon.